Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make delicious sweet plantain baked egg. Of course, all the same ingredients will definitely be pinned in the description of the video, so you can check it out. So guys, when it comes to making this delicious recipe, majority of the ingredients you definitely want to go ahead and thoroughly wash your ingredients before you start prepping your ingredients. So next step, I'm definitely go ahead and start chopping my ingredients into small pieces. So guys, here are my ingredients for this recipe. So for this recipe, I decided to go with fresh bell pepper, spring onions, garlic, and of course fresh ripe sweet plantain. Next step is to go ahead and chop my ingredients into small pieces. Tomato, spring onions, also onion, cherry tomatoes, fresh bell pepper, garlic, sweet plantain, at this point I'm going to go ahead and chop them into two different shapes and size. Here are my chopping ingredients. So guys, as you see what I have is about 1.5 cups of oil. You definitely want to make sure that your oil is thoroughly hot before you go ahead and add your ingredients, such as your plantain. Usually takes about 3 or 4 minutes to cook on each side. So here we are guys, my first batch of plantains is pretty much frying. I'm going to go ahead and remove them in a minute or so. Next I'm going to go ahead and add the round plantains. Just take a look at these guys. I mean, the color is so exceptionally beautiful. Perfectly fried. So at this point guys, I'm all done. I'm going to go ahead and pretty much remove them now. Next up guys, you definitely want to go ahead and add your egg and also your seasoning. So guys, there is no limit on the amount of egg for this recipe. Guys, here are my seasoning for this recipe. Chicken cube season, Old Bay, and also garlic powder. Next up guys, you definitely want to go ahead and thoroughly whisk your ingredients together. Black pepper, chili powder, of course chili powder is totally optional, so guys, what I actually went ahead and did, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Next up you definitely want to go ahead and add your chopped ingredients. So at this point guys, you definitely want to go ahead and thoroughly cook your vegetable for about 2 or 3 minutes. Pretty much finished. I'm going to go ahead and remove them in a minute or so. So at this point you can taste and adjust any ingredients such as your salt, pepper, anything you may want to add at this point, feel free to do so. Next up guys, you definitely want to go ahead and add your pre-cooked vegetable to this egg. Next up, guys, you're gonna go with some canola oil spray. You're definitely gonna go ahead and add your fried plantain. At this point, you definitely want to go ahead with the long ones first. Definitely want to place them evenly. Next up, you definitely want to go ahead and add your whisk egg with your ingredients. Next step, you're going to go ahead and add your remaining plantains. At this point, you may go ahead and add a few slices of tomato. Also, a little bit of onions. Chopped bell pepper. So guys, here's my finished ingredients. Next up, you definitely want to go ahead and place this in the oven anywhere from 250 degrees for about 40 minutes. So guys, here's my finished dish. As always, thank you for watching. I do weekly videos. Delicious baked egg sweet plantain. Enjoy the video recipe. Kindly go ahead and subscribe to my channel, please. Until next time.